Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is France TV, and today guys, let's make a DIY repair on our carbon bike frame. Watch this video guys so you will learn something. From here guys, you can see our seat tube is damaged. There's a crack on the clamping area, and what we'll do is to make a sanding, or make a, if you have a power tools, you can use your power tools to sand it fast, or just use a sandpaper. I just to remove the paint and some layers, so that the carbon fiber layer will come out on the surface, so that it will give a more effective to our DIY epoxy to build up. So if you are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe and share, so that you will be notified to my other videos. So see guys, I use the torch just to be sure that the crack is already sanded and ready for the build up. So the next we are going to do is to apply our DIY carbon repair kit. As you can see on the screen, I try to build it up fast because it will cure fast, and I off the camera, and as you can see, this is already a build up. It's like cold welding guys, we call it cold welding. And these are the materials that we are using. This super glue, baking powder, and pencil, which has graphite carbon, the lid. So you can produce the graphite carbon when sanding the tip of your pencil, and mix it to our baking soda, to make it black carbon powder. So you will have already a black carbon powder. So by applying the super glue on the top of it, and it will form a solid like a carbon fiber filler material. So the gap is already filled up, and also the crack. And the result, the build-up looks fine if you know the metallurgy, the study of the fiber and alloys adheres to band composite like, and it is good also to repair a carbon material. So as you can see guys, the surface, this is not the final. We're going to finalize this one after. What I did now is I just try to be sure that the seat tube clamp can be inserted on the top of the seat tube. That no certain holding it or stopping it by inserting. So I think it's good now, it's fine. And also the seat tube have inserted smoothly without any rubbing on the inner side. So the cause of the crack guys, this carbon frame has a two slit for on the clamping area. So that's the, when it is squeezed, it forms the force to crack on the forward side. So I make it to build it up, and only the remaining gap is on the rear side. Now as you can see guys, let's do now the finalization, finalize the sanding. I use sandpaper, 400 can be used, also power tools if you have, just to make your work fast and make it more smoothly. But we don't have the power tools, so you can use a sandpaper 400. Now as you can see on the video guys, it's, I think the surface and the dimension returns to its original dimension, I mean. So I try to touch it if there is still exceeding material protruding, and to feel it, but I think it's already good, and I think it's fine, and I think the work is done. And uh, I also inserted the seat tube clamp just to be sure it will not having a stopper, or yeah, it will not any obstruction by inserting it. I think it's already inserted smoothly, so I think it's good to go to make it finalization on this uh, or repair. So try to wipe all the exceeding power, I mean the dust or the sand uh, dust. I think that's the good term. So I think now from the inner side you cannot see anymore the crack, but don't worry guys, it's already filled up from the outer side, and the inner side is already filled up with the filler carbon. So and I think this is more stronger than the carbon fiber glass fiber material. So I think we're going to do the spray on the surface to make it back to the original using our glossy spray paint. As you can see now, I already apply it guys, and I used to coat double because this portion is really small. It's only tiny area, so we can make it two coats only. And I'm turning the camera around it just to show that the surface is back to an original dimension also. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next one.